Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make my sangria. I did get a request, so I want to share it with you. It's very simple. I'm using an orange, apple, have some grapes here, not sure if I'm going to use them. And I also have some lemon. And then you can use whatever red wine that you like. And I also have some brandy. And we have some simple syrup. Mine is a little brown, only because I did not use white sugar. I used sugar cane. So if you don't know how to make simple syrup, you just add equal cups of water and sugar, allow it to come to a boil. And once it turns to a syrup-like consistency, pull it off, let it cool off before you put it in your mix. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our oranges. Make sure you wash your fruits off because I'm not gonna peel them. All right, I went ahead and cut my fruits up, and I reserve some of my orange because I want to go ahead and squeeze some in here like this. Make sure you remove all of the seeds because you do not want any seeds in your drink. Now I'm going to add my lemon, and I'm not using, I just use half of everything. I'm going to add my apples to here. And you can use whatever apple. This is the apples. This is the apple I had in my refrigerator. So that's the one I'm using. And then we're going to add, and you want to see, cut them nice and small, not too big. Skin and all, so make sure you wash the skins off. And at this point, what I like to do, I may add just a little bit of the grapes. That should be good. I don't want too much grapes in there, just for color. I'm going to add my simple syrup like this. After you have everything in there, you just want to give it a quick mix. Okay, once you mix it, now you want to add the red wine of your choice. I'm gonna add the whole thing in. Now I'm gonna add some brandy, and I will measure the brandy. I'm just gonna add about 1/3. You don't want it too strong. And if you don't have brandy, you can use some rum. Okay. And now I'm gonna add some ice. You don't want to add too much ice. So I'm gonna add maybe about a cup of ice just to cool it down a little bit. And then you're gonna give it another stir. And once you stir it, now what I like to use, like when I'm serving mine, I like to add grapes, and these are frozen grapes. Instead of adding ice, I like to add some frozen grapes, and that's gonna help to keep your drink cool. And so now we're gonna pour in our sangria. Enjoy. Until next time, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.